Hello, Harper's Bazaar Baby Hector Espinal here, Global Artist for Fenty Beauty, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get an editorial look using this palette. I'm going to start using Snapshot palette number 7 in Cadet, and I'm going to use shade Takeover. What I'm going to do here is just really enhance this crease. I like to shape the eye first on the desired application that I'm going for. So I'm just really shaping and saturating. Using the same shade, I'm going to start smoking in the lower lash lines. So I'm going to go into Fatigue, which is this beautiful matte green shadow. And I'm going to start creating my smoky eye. So I'm going to start layering this all over the lid. Really going to saturate that. So I'm pressing to avoid any fallout. When you press on the eyeshadow, it prevents it from falling out, which is very important. If you do have a fallout, just take a clean brush and lightly dust as you go. The longer you let it stay there, the longer it will stain your eyeshadow, your concealer. Using the same green, I'm going to wrap it around all in the lower lash line. Using Glamour Camo, I'm going to dip it here, and I'm going to start now defining my smoky eye. Close your eyes. What I mean by that is really just taking the outer corner and really taking it into the crease, creating the intensity. The same color and just wrap it around a little close to the lash lines. When I create a smoky eye, it's very important that I take a pencil to really define the waterlines. So I'm going to be using Fly Pencil in Bank Tank, which is this beautiful khaki. It's a nice green that complements my palette. Look up. I'm going to take it and really saturate that waterline. It's a great pop of color. Make it smoky a little different. So when in doubt, just add a pop of color with your pencils and your smoky eye becomes one of a kind. I'm going to take the same pencil and just saturate the upper lash lines. No look can be complete without some gloss bomb. Hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I did. Don't forget, if you want to learn more, follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel.